Coming, but I got the box with me. I got PacMotor rolling. Trying to get there before the rain hits. But I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing tour while I'm on the PacMotor. All right, so this might be the first time anybody's ever did unboxing like this, but let's try it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in cruise control so that I can continue to go straight while I give you this unboxing. All right, so here we go. So this is PacMotor, picking it up. All right, it's a little windy out here, but I'll get back to this in a minute. But the utility you get out of PacMotor is like no other motor out there. It's super quick to attach to your kayak, no nuts or bolts or drilling needed. So watch me do it live. That's it. It's all ready to go. Just gotta plug the battery in and launch. I'll show you that next. It's really universal, so you save money there. It now has a water resistant remote, so you could drop it in the water and it's gonna be totally fine. And also the frame here is upgraded with cast aluminum. So there where you see the knuckle and the pin, that's all gonna be cast aluminum now, for durability and long-lasting use. So your universal remote, the charger for the remote. Oh shoot, I'm about to hit this buoy. Let's see what happens. Oh, all good. We're moving along quite nicely. Past the bridges, the island is straight ahead. See you guys there. We're over there. Going around to the other side of the island because I see that there's a nice dock over there, so I'm gonna try to get on that side. So I'm gonna find a good spot to come up on here. There we are. All right, get up on there, try to find a clean spot. Got a bit of a rain issue, so I'm gonna try to get this stuff off here and clean it up a little bit up there. Alright guys, I'm here on the island. I even came from the other side of the river over there just to get here with PacMotor. I have a PacMotor on my kayak in the battery that we offer, so I can come and show you guys this new opening box. I'm gonna give you guys a demo of using it while I'm not in it. So if it floats away, I'm swimming back. Alright, reverse, go 360. Let me go reverse and 360 this thing. You can turn on a dime. Look at that. If it floats away, I'm stuck here. Thought this would be cool to show. I'm about to pull it up and give you guys a tour of it. The new features we got. Alright, see you. This is how I raise the motors up so that I can pull it up onto the dock. So it's pretty easy. You just have to pull this pin here and lift them up and then release the pin and it locks in place. And then now I can pull it up. I'll just paddle this fall onto the dock like this. Come over here. So if you live on a dock, you can easily use PacMotor. And I traveled all the way to an island to give you guys the epic box opening of PacMotor. Check it out. Look, this is what you get, right? All neatly packaged. It's all nice and secure, so when it's shipping, there's not going to be any problems. You get the universal power cord, so you can hook up the 12-volt battery. If you buy a battery from us, then you'll get the quick disconnect on both sides. You get your charger here for the remote, and here's the remote itself. It's going to have power in it already. There's a battery inside that's rechargeable. And you get the power cord for the charging the remote. And everything you need to get started with PacMotor. It comes with the strap underneath and the straps on the sides. The bottom knuckle and the pin joint is now cast aluminum, which is stronger than we had before, and we wanted to make sure that PacMotor is very durable for everybody. So you can see that's aluminum. All these tubes are aluminum for durability. So the remote is water resistant. You could drop it in the water, it's not gonna have a problem. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna give you some more specs on the motor. All right, so I wanted to show a few features we have here. So some of the features you get with PacMotor that you don't get with other motors is obviously the dual thrusters. And the reason why that is cool is because you get the right, left, forward, and back motion. Whenever you go right, then this motor is going to go in reverse, and that motor is going to go forward, and it's going to turn you to the right. Same thing with going to the left. I wanted to show off the battery, but it's really nice and easy to carry. The battery's inside. All you do is you hook it up with the charger, not the charger, but the power cable to the PacMotor like this. Snaps in. Bring it over to your kayak. Plugs right into the battery. I'll give you a demo of how PacMotor. When PacMotor is in this upright position, you're totally free to paddle. It does not interfere with paddling at all. Paddle this side, paddle this side, totally free. So that's the best thing about PacMotor. And then whenever you're ready to start using motor power, you just reach back, pull the pin, push the motors right into the water. That's it. And then they're ready to go. So that's all there is to it. They're out of the way for paddling, but if you want to engage the motors, just drop them down and you're ready to go. And I'm sure you just saw the video about me unboxing, but I just want to let you guys know that we are now on a mass production scale. You can tell by the box. This isn't just me in my backyard assembling them like I did with the first 250 units. We now have a professional assembly line running at full scale, and this is how we're able to pump out these from start to finish in such a short time. So even if you're on a pre-order, don't worry, your unit's coming, and we are really excited to launch PacMotor back into the water. Let me show you how I do that, even if I'm up on top of a dock. So I make sure everything's out that could fall out easily, but the PacMotor's installed, so it's not going to move. And I just literally splash down and drop. That's it. And then now I'm ready to come over here and get in, and then I'll grab the stuff I need after I'm in. There's a wire. I'm heading back from the unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to learn more, just visit PacMotor.com. Somehow I gotta get off of this kayak with this box and all this camera gear and everything.
quick, here quick.